I made a pillowcase smaller without a sewing machine or cutting. Just put a smaller pillow into an oversized pillowcase as you normally do. Grab the fabric where the pillow ends and where the case ends. Tuck the extra fabric inside, spread it to the sides, and fold in the bottom edges too. Done! The pillowcase looks like it was made to fit perfectly. You've been washing pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains from them without using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. They'll be like new after this video. And most importantly, without using a washing machine. Today I'll show you my secret for cleaning them. You just need a few ingredients to create the mixture. First, get an empty jug. Pour 300 milliliters of water into it. Our first mysterious ingredient is baking powder. Add a tablespoon to the jug. The next step is to add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. It has disinfecting and whitening properties. Now add 4 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It will enhance the effects of the previous ingredients and eliminate bacteria and dust mites. Mix everything thoroughly. Prepare a bottle with a sprayer and pour our mixture through a funnel. Now all you have to do is spray the pillow thoroughly. This way, you'll remove stains without risking damaging the pillow in the washing machine. Don't skip any spots. Then wait for about 30 minutes. After this time, you'll see the first results. Then soak the pillow in a bowl or bucket for an hour. The effect will be even better. The pillow will be clean. This way, you can save your pillows from tearing in the dryer. Regularly washing the pillowcase isn't enough to prevent dirt and bacteria from accumulating. It's important to wash the pillows themselves often. This removes dirt, oils, and dust mite residues. I'll show you how to wash your pillows without damaging them. Wash 2 pillows at a time to keep the washing machine balanced. Set the wash cycle to gentle and the water temperature to about 40 degrees Celsius. You don't need to remove the filling to wash your pillows. The foam in the pillows harbors the most bacteria, so to wash them without clumping together, add a few ping pong balls. This allows the pillows to move freely, and the ping pong balls will help gently remove dust from them. Since the balls are lightweight, they will create the right amount of washing foam, which is important for effective cleaning. Put a trash bag inside your pillowcase and you won't regret it. Next time you change your bedding, try this trick. I've been using it regularly and it works wonders. All you need is a clean, large trash bag, big enough to fit your pillow. First, check the size by placing the bag over the pillow. Once you're sure it fits, put the pillow inside the bag. Make sure the entire pillow is covered. Take a vacuum cleaner and insert the hose into the bag like I did. Turn on the vacuum and hold the bag tightly. In seconds, the air will be sucked out and the pillow will shrink. Remove the vacuum hose and keep the bag sealed. Now your pillow is perfectly compressed. That's exactly what we're aiming for. Get your pillowcase ready and start sliding the bag with the pillow inside. Place the bag from the sealed end into the pillowcase. Once the pillow is fully inside, pull the bag out, leaving the pillow in the case. This trick makes it easy to fit even a large pillow into a small pillowcase without any stress or frustration.